This afternoon we're visiting Vigur Island. It's in parts a farm, in parts a conservation project. On one hand they have the eider down farm, they have this huge colony of Arctic terns, and then there's also all of these puffins around. Walking through the Arctic terns that are nesting in the grounds there, they are very protective parents. We have these sticks and they'll go for the highest thing that they can attack. On the cliffs in Vigur Island, we are seeing puffins. We also are seeing black guillemots. It's like a small bird paradise, this island. A very special place in the West Fjords.